Hey guys, Josh with Ambitious Eats here. I know what you're thinking, hot chocolate, pretty simple recipe, but I wanted to give you a nice few twists on hot chocolate just to take it from here to here. So click that like and subscribe button if you like what I'm making, and then let's get started with the classic hot chocolate.
So, the classic. Not too hard, but I have some important tippy tips to share with you to make it absolutely perfect. And if you want to spike it to get grandma to give you more money this holiday, go bonkers. Put all of your ingredients in the saucepan listed here in my fancy graphic. That's right, I know After Effects now. Order doesn't matter. A higher end brand of chocolate will yield a better hot chocolate, and that's just the way it be. Otherwise, you can use any other store-bought ingredients. You probably noticed the coffee that I put in, and that leads us to tip number 1. Tip number 1 is to add coffee. Coffee really accentuates chocolate, so add it to anything you make with chocolate. Brownies, cake, whatever, just add it. You will not taste it at all. You'll just taste the chocolate more. Alright, once you have it all in the pan, put the heat on really low. Be patient, low and slow. That's our second tip. Tip number 2, low and slow. Keeping the heat on low will prevent any clumping. Not only that, it will stop the milk solids from sticking onto the bottom of the pan, and that's really not something that you want because that'll smell really bad and it will just ruin the overall taste of your hot chocolate. So once it starts to simmer a bit, you can start whisking everything together really nice and slow. Don't be aggressive here, just be very gentle with it. This could take up to half an hour, and that's fine. The longer it takes to make something, the better the result, unless you just suck, which means you're the one with the problem. Once the time has passed, you're ready to pour it into your mug. Once you've done that, just add some whipped cream and sprinkle with cinnamon. You can whack a sifter over it to get that nice sprinkly look too. And if you want to add some cayenne pepper or something a bit spicy, that's totally fine as well. And then enjoy.
So we got the first hot chocolate done, so now I'm gonna try it because that's what I do. Oh god, I could drink all of that right now. I really could. The coffee really adds a nice edge to the chocolate that you really can't get without adding it. If you're not a coffee person, just because you don't like the taste, you can still add coffee. You won't be able to really taste it. It's just really going to accentuate the chocolate really well. Oh god, that's good. Okay, recipe number 2, chai masala hot chocolate. Very similar to the first one, but with just a few additional ingredients that are gonna give the hot chocolate a nice kick. And it's really going to accentuate the cocoa even more with the addition of cinnamon, clove, cardamom, all of those nice masala ingredients that are going to take your hot chocolate completely to the next level. So stick around and watch my second recipe, which is chai masala hot chocolate.
So, chai masala. This is gonna have a lot of edge and spice to it, and if you're into flavor, this one's the one for you. So, put all the ingredients that you did for your hot chocolate, not excluding anything. You're just gonna add some more masala and chai-like ingredients, and that would be in the graphic here. So you got your ginger, your cinnamon, your nutmeg and cloves, you got your black pepper even, that's really good in chocolate, and then you've got your cardamom. That's gonna be key as well. So simply add that all in and put it on the stove, and just cook it like you did last time. And basically that's it. It adds such a nice dimension to the hot chocolate that you just can't have with the classic, and for me, this one's actually my favorite.
Alright, well, that was, as you saw, pretty similar to the first recipe besides the addition of a few more ingredients, and now we're just going to see if it actually pays off and tastes that much better. Yes, unequivocally yes. Add the masala chai in there if you can, and if you don't have all of the ingredients in your pantry, a lot of people don't, I'm really into Indian food myself, what you can do is just take a masala chai tea bag, Tazo has a really good one, and just put it in the hot chocolate, let it steep for 5 minutes while it's simmering on the stove, and then all you gotta do is just take it out and then make the hot chocolate as you normally would. And that's pretty much it for masala chai. Alright, this third one may not be everyone's cup of tea, and I totally understand, but if you're really into matcha, you're definitely going to like this. So stick around for my third recipe, which is a white chocolate with matcha.
add the ingredients that you see in the graphics. So you're just going to add some almond milk, your white chocolate, and then put it on the stove and then simmer it on a really low heat. Again, low and slow, and bring it up to a boil. And this time, don't add any coffee or dark chocolate or cocoa powder, obviously, since we're keeping it as a white chocolate. And then you'll just steep a matcha tea bag the entire time, or if you have loose matcha powder, which sadly I didn't, add that because it'll get a nice green color and it will cook a lot faster. And that's pretty much it. It's so easy, and you can add some whipped cream onto it like I am right here. Really fun, and I really hope you enjoyed it.
All right, so we're at the last hot chocolate here. Let's just see how the matcha hot chocolate tastes. Now, white chocolate's not usually my thing, but that with the matcha, really, really good. I'm on a real sugar rush right now, so I gotta have some water, sign off. Thanks very much for watching Ambitious Eats again. I'll be coming out with new videos every 2 weeks at this pace, 3 ways for several recipes that people ask for and wanna eat.
So I wanted to start off my new series with an easy video for you guys to enjoy during the holidays, and make sure to give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. And if you have comments, please comment below. I really love any feedback you give, as long as it's constructive, obviously. If something doesn't work out, I'll make sure to fix it next time, and I'll post that in the description as well as pin the comment. Thanks very much. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.